Hello guys, Genki. For today's video, we're going to go to the dentist because I had a schedule for a cleaning today. So my schedule is at 4 p.m. but I came here a little bit early because I finished work at 3:15 and then the schedule is 4 p.m. And yeah, it's fine. I just waited here for a couple of minutes and it was my turn. So the nice thing about here in Japan is the insurance. So for dental care, facial care, medicines, and for checkups, that is all included in insurance, and then you're going to have a discount. So for the cleaning, the first time I came here, I paid 3,000 yen. So 3,000 yen is equivalent for 1,200 plus something. But then I came here the second time. This is my second time. I paid 2,910 yen. So yeah, that's because of the insurance. But I don't know why there's a difference. Before I paid 3,000 yen. And then they're going to give you a card. Yeah, I was saying that I forgot mine. That it's in the bag and then I forgot to give it to her. And yeah, she just gave me a new one. So that is going to be your record that you went there. So every time you come and visit the dentist, they're going to give you a card. So yeah, that's why insurance is very nice here in Japan. So you could go for checkups and you can use that for medicine. So that's all discounted. Yeah, and then I'm done and wala ko nag-video sa sulod kay masin dili pwede, and that's what I paid, 2,910 yen. Thank you guys for watching. See you sa next video. Bye!